Today I'll be showing you how to input your cast and crew information. Note that the previous tab has a green check mark. This indicates that all the information was completed properly. If the tab is still blue, it means that the information is incomplete. First, you want to enter the production company, studio, or your PVD account name if you're the sole creator. A minimum of 1 crew member must be added. We usually recommend including the director. The top 2 to 4 actors will appear on the catalog, but the ordering may change depending on different customer search results or devices. Press Save to move on to video assets.